And so let's start with the Nifty 50 view. So again, see, Nifty has already spending some time between 40 to 60. So still it has not yet recovered. So let's see how much time it takes. Monthly, still bullish. If you see, there was a short-term bearishness that was just because of that Ukraine and this news, but now it has recovered already. It has come up from there, right? And if you see the daily also it's trying to come up. It has gone below 40 also, but now it is trying to come up above 60. So once it is crossing above 60, definitely trend will come. Okay, so medium term, short term, it is still sideways, but on a long term view, it is still bullish. So that is the trend view on Nifty 50. Let's see Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank also same story. It is sideways. During Russia-Ukraine, it has gone decisively below 40, but now it has come up. So that is good news. At least it is not bearish, but not bullish also. It is just spending some time between 40 to 60. Weekly also same story. 40 to 60 it is spending time, but it has recovered from here. That is very good news. Yes. Monthly basis, it is still above 60, trying to retain this above 60. So let's see in this month closing, because still 7 days to go. So by this month, if it is coming above 60, then that's good news. That means it is still trying to be bullish. Okay, so that's on Nifty Bank, and a couple of good banks are also doing good. Like let me see, ICICI Bank. Same story would be there for all these banks also. As Bank Nifty. Yeah. So if you see on monthly basis, it has recovered from the low. And on weekly basis, it is still sideways. Daily basis also, it is sideways. Okay. So all the banks are struggling. So, but it is good that at least it has recovered from the lows. Okay. So that is good news. Now let's see some other sector like Nifty IT. Okay, so if you see Nifty IT, it is completely sideways again, 40 to 60, and then on the weekly basis also it is sideways only. Monthly it would be bullish only, because monthly it is bullish from very long term. If you see from last July 2020 itself, from last 2 years it is bullish, and it is still maintaining. It was just going down little bit, but yeah, it is again come up. So that is good sign. That means IT may go up again. But only thing is that if you want to buy for medium term and short term, you have to wait, because if you see Infi and all the stocks, Infi and TCS are the leaders, right? IT. So see, monthly still bullish, no doubt about it. But weekly, it is still trying to cross 60. So once it crosses 60, then you can definitely go and buy. You can wait till weekend. Daily also, it has crossed 60, but still struggling, not decisive. Okay? So that is how you can consider if any IT signal is there. Let's see TCS. TCS also daily below 60. Weekly also below 60. So if you compare Infi with TCS, Infi is looking good, because Infi has already crossed 60 in the weekly time. Monthly, everybody is crossing. IT already in monthly basis, I think it's crossed. Okay. So this was about IT. So let's see Nifty Metal now. See, metal long term it was bullish, and it has given a fresh breakout. So it is right time to put money in metal, guys. See, for after a long consolidation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months, it has broken up now, and it must be on weekly also. It must be there. Yes. So see, now weekly also trying to cross 60. That is very good sign. And daily also it must be crossing 60. Yes. So metal sector is giving breakout, guys. So just concentrate on metal stocks if you want to. So let's see some of the leaders. Definitely it must be giving breakout. Tata still is trying to break out. So if it breaks out this level, definitely target could be 1420 or maybe 1500 also. It's very easy to reach once it crosses. And it has crossed today only above 60. So just wait and watch for 1 or 2 days. If it breaks this level, definitely it will cross. Okay. Let's see on weekly basis. Yeah, weekly also just coming up. So long consolidation, it is trying to break out, guys. So just keep an eye on metal stocks. It is looking good now. Monthly it was already bullish, I guess. Yes, monthly it was already bullish. It has just come down so that people can accumulate, and it has again come up. Yes. So it may consolidate, but still target can be reached 1500 very easily once it breaks. So you can watch other stocks also, like JSW Steel, Jindal Steel also. So whichever has good signal, you can just go on. So metal sector is looking really good. Okay, now see pharma. Yes, pharma not so good sign. Still monthly is below 60. That is not at all good sign. It will take time to cover up. Weekly also not good. Daily also not good. So let's wait in pharma. I think there is some more time it will take in order to come up. Let's see some FMCG. FMCG, I think ITC is doing very good, but overall sector is not going good. Yes, daily, weekly, monthly, all below 60. So not a good time to invest in FMCG stocks, guys.
सर वो आईटीसी तो लेकिन सप्लाई जोन टच करने वाला है.
तो आईटीसी प्योर एमटीसीजी में नहीं आता है ना. It is not pure like ITC because most 80% of its business coming from cigarette now. So it's not 100% FMCG, you can say. But it is also not crossing, trying to cross 60, but still. Let's see. Weekly also trying to cross. Yeah, daily also it is looking good. Now let's see Nifty Auto. Auto also 40 to 60 in between, not a good sign. Weekly also not a good sign.
Auto NCLD कैसे देख सकता है सर?
No, that is very small one, so you cannot have a. उसका वो नहीं है Nifty Auto NCLD. Okay, so auto stocks is not looking good unless this is crossing this level. Once it will cross this level, then only it will have some. But you can definitely go ahead and see Maruti and Tata Motors. So long term basis, you can consider Tata Motors, I guess. Monthly mein Maruti is also not looking good. Let's see what happened this month. But Tata Motors, yeah, Tata Motors is looking good on monthly basis. So that is still a buy. But weekly and daily, all the auto stocks is still struggling. So you have to just wait for some more time. Okay, so let's see now Realty. Realty also coming up from the lows. Yes, it was struggling here. So unless this level is not breaking, actual move will not come in Realty. Same thing is happening. Monthly it is still struggling above 60. But good thing is that it is still above 60. So not a panic sign on knockdown. Weekly still sideways. So unless weekly and daily will not come above 60, we will not see any big. So let's see one of the major stock, DLF. Same thing, DLF also similar chart. Still struggling. Monthly it is giving some sign. This is good. It has to cross this level in order to give very good mark.
Paper stock कैसे देख सकते हैं सर?
Paper you have to go and find out individual. These cannot be indexed, na? These are like only 5 to 6 stocks, and that is not a good broad sector. And Nifty PSU Bank. Yes, PSU also bank is not looking good still. It has to cross this level. It tried to cross, but still it is stuck. Let it come above 60, then you can think. Okay. So that's it. I guess I have covered all the